Hi, so this is the first and also the only problem in chapter 1. Hi, so what you are looking at is a template for problem solving steps. So this we can divide it into 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3 here. And before we get into the details, I want you to know that these steps or this template is something we're going to use uh, for all the problems. However, for this one, for this very first chapter, these steps consisting of defining or formulating the problem, generating among alternative solutions, implementing the chosen solution, and their sub-steps, we don't really need them for this chapter for this problem. However, we are keeping this template because I would like you to get used to these steps, and we will see that those steps indeed would be used at a later time. So the first one of the main 3 steps is defining or formulating the problem. What are we solving for? What is the schematic and assumptions? So what are we solving for? We are solving for temperature T of the room, temperature T as a function of time. That's what we are solving for. And the schematic is this room over which we are doing energy balance. So this is my domain. This is the domain over which we are doing the energy balance. So this is my domain. Now, when we talk about assumptions, for most of the time, we're not expecting you to come up with assumptions, because then you can make many different types of assumptions which would lead to many different problems, and then we'll have a kind of a chaos. So the assumptions here are given. So for example, we are saying no heat loss through the walls. Then air inside is well mixed. So there is only one temperature in the room, and there is no temperature variation in air properties. For example, the specific heat or density that can vary with temperature, but we are ignoring these variations, and this is given to us.